Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play No Hesi Assetto Corsa Evo. First, ensure you have Assetto Corsa and Content Manager installed, as they are essential for modding. Next, locate and download the No Hesi mod pack from a reputable community source. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the mod pack directly into your Assetto Corsa root directory. This foundational setup is crucial for the mod to function correctly and provide the intended experience. After installing the mod, open Content Manager and navigate to the Mods section to activate No Hesi. Take some time to fine-tune your graphics settings within Content Manager to balance visual fidelity with smooth frame rates, aiming for at least 60 frames per second. Crucially, configure your steering wheel or controller settings for the most responsive and immersive driving experience. Proper configuration ensures you get the best out of the challenging No Hesi gameplay. To truly master No Hesi, dedicate time to practicing on diverse tracks and with different vehicles. Focus on understanding each car's unique handling characteristics and how they react to your inputs. Developing precise control over both oversteer and understeer is vital for maintaining speed and avoiding collisions. Finally, engage with the community by joining online servers. This offers a dynamic environment to test your skills against others and enjoy the social aspect of the mod. For those looking to push their limits, experiment with various car setups, adjusting suspension, tire pressure, and aerodynamics to gain an edge. Observing experienced No Hesi drivers can also provide invaluable insights into advanced cornering lines and throttle control. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Engaging with the active No Hesi community forums and Discord servers can also unlock further tips, custom content, and opportunities to connect with fellow enthusiasts, enhancing your overall experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.